Hey guys, it's me again. This time I'm going to do a review on this Coach convertible Parker backpack. I think I said the name right, I'm not sure. And this is the larger size. This is in the 16. I think this is the 18. But this is like the metallic. It's like I think they call it platinum, but it looks more gold. It looks gold. But anyway, y'all, I purchased this bag off Facebook Marketplace. You know, I was telling y'all about that. Y'all, tell me why I paid $50 for this bag. $50. $50 for this bag. And ain't nothing wrong with it. Nothing is wrong with this bag. 50 bucks. And y'all see I added my little thing. Now it didn't come with the little thing, but that's okay because I like my little puff balls. But yeah, y'all pay $50 for this bag. When I saw that, I said, yes ma'am. But she originally wanted to do it for pickup only. And there was in like a whole nother city, and I asked her, I said, well, if I pay for shipping, will you ship it to me? She was like, sure, or whatever. So I paid for the shipping, which I think was like $8. So I ended up paying like $58 for the bag. Still not bad, because this bag retails for, it retails for quite a bit. I don't know if it's 300 and something, I think. 3 something or 2 something. Probably 3 something, because I know the smaller one retails for like $2.95. If I'm not mistaken. So this one probably 3 something, but either way, $50, couldn't beat it. Jumped on it. It's authentic. I'm happy with that. So here's the bag, and you can find this bag all over eBay, all over Mercari, Poshmark, and there's nothing wrong with this bag. There is nothing wrong with this bag. I mean, all the corners were still good and everything. So I'm telling y'all, y'all better check that stuff out. We having some good stuff. And I love this little handle, little chain. I like that. And the only thing about this hardware, it will chip. It will start to chip eventually, but that kind of stuff, it don't bother me. So some people get bent out of shape about that, but it don't bother me. But I understand if you pay, you know, your money, you want something to last. But some people, you know, beat the mess out their bags too. But anyway, and this is the inside. This is like looks kind of like a purplish color. But here's the inside of it. And it has a pocket here. And it does have the care card with it. And then it has that. And then the other side, there's a pocket here. And there's a video or two about this bag on YouTube. And then here's the authenticity, you know, my little tag. For y'all who'll be worried about that. Because y'all be worried about the wrong thing. And like I said, these have the little clasp on there, and you can stick quite a bit, you know, in here or whatever. Really nice, cute bag, and it has a little turn lock with the little C. I think this is like the cutest thing with the little C or whatever. I think that is so cute. But you can wear the bag, you know, in the crook of your arm, you know, or you can just hold it. I'm not gonna do mod shots. But I have it, I've just changed it to where you can do it just like a strap or whatever. And then, because it has an extra hook on here, and then you just do this and just hook it back up for, you know, you can do it as your backpack. That's your backpack. And you can also wear this crossbody, you know, also. And then you can adjust the straps here. Just pull those out. and then you can adjust it, you know, here and then there, you know. So, and I'll do another video some other time where I can show you the different ways that you can wear it. I'm not going to do it today because I'm really not feeling the best. And I stay in Texas and it's raining right now. It's cold outside. I think I have like a little sinus infection and allergies and everything else. This weather keep flip-flopping, hot one day, cold the next day, rainy one day, sun out the next. I just don't know. So I'm just in here trying to do a couple of videos, but I already took me some medicine, so hopefully I feel better by in the morning. But anyway, just want to show you all my little bag. And I have several backpacks, so I need to start carrying my darn backpacks. So there's that. Just the cutest little thing. But like I said, y'all need to check out some of the Facebook Marketplace and Poshmark and Mercari and OfferUp and what is it, Tradesy. I'm talking about Tradesy. Tradesy. I think that's how you say it. But anyway, y'all know what I'm talking about. Try some of those sites, and sometimes y'all can get lucky. And if people have a certain price on there, sometimes you can talk them down. I'm not trying to say just try to get it for just a little bit of nothing. But, I mean, you can ask the people, you know, what's the lowest you'll take. And a lot of people will go down for you because they're trying to get rid of it or whatever. So, it don't hurt to ask. I mean, all you can do is ask. So, that's what I do. But she had this for $50, and I wasn't going to ask her to lower the price of it because I was getting a good deal at $50. So, and then she was able to, she went out of her way to mail it to me. So, and I paid for the shipping. So, I wasn't going to ask her to lower her price for that. But I just wanted to show you guys that little cute bag. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.